Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. Obi. In today's video, I am going to show a quick way to restore sample databases into SQL Server. If you've been watching the previous videos on SSIS, this is a follow-on video from installing SQL Server. All right, so what we're going to do now, first of all, is download the sample databases for SQL Server. They're called AdventureWorks. So we're going to go to this website, learn.microsoft.com, and a bunch of slashes. This link will be in the description below. So when we get to the site, we're going to scroll down and download these two files. It's the AdventureWorks OLTP, which is the online transaction processing database, and then the data warehouse database. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, it starts to download up here. And I'm going to click on the other one. It starts to also download up here. So I already have these two sample files downloaded. So the ones that I clicked on are still downloading, but the ones that I downloaded last week are here. So I'm going to use this. The objective right now is to put these two sample files or sample database files into a specific folder. So the folder that we're going to put it in is a Microsoft SQL Server backup folder. All right, so I'm going to copy these two files. Copy them, and we're going to go to the C drive, and I'm going to go to program files. I am going to go to SQL Server, and then under SQL Server, we're going to go to this particular one, MS SQL, not the MSAS. This is the analysis services. We're going to go to the SQL Server instead. I'm going to double click that, double click Microsoft SQL Server, and then double click backup. So this is where you're going to put those two backup files. So as you can see, this is the OLTP version, and this is the data warehouse version of the databases. Okay, so the next step is we're going to restore these two database files into SQL Server. Let's go ahead and do it. So right here, we have SQL Server Management Studio. And as you can see, there are no databases here, but I am going to restore those two databases that we just downloaded. You just downloaded them. I had them downloaded previously. All right, so to do that, I am going to right click on databases and then say restore database. When I click on restore database, I'm going to select, hey, it's on device. And I'm going to click on this ellipse, the dot, dot, dot here. And it's a file. And we're going to click on add and then select the first backup file and then OK. OK again. And then OK the last time. It's going to tell us, hey, this worked. It was restored. As you can see, it's right here. So we say thank you very much. And then we're going to do the second one. We're going to restore the database. And again, go to device, then click on the ellipse, go to add, click on AdventureWorks DW 2022, click on OK, and OK. And then the last OK. Thank you very much. And here we have the two databases that we're going to use in our tutorials. This is the transactional database, and this is the data warehouse database. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions or need more info, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.